Gusto nyo is I may be closing my eyes now. Ang mahirap dyan is these are the two schools trying to tumatakbo sila. Ito tayo eh, nasa likod eh. Nasa likod tayo. Tumatakbo yan. Gusto nating we try to overcome these two schools. Ang iniisip ng dalawang school is how to maintain their pace. Just to maintain their pace. But we in ISAT is trying to overcome them. And when we have overcome them is, ang tendency kasi dyan is if you're number one, ang isipin mo, at last, we are now number one. Naku, pangit yun. Pangit. Bakit? At last, we are now number one. Ang sasabihin mo dyan is,
time frame.
How can you maintain that being number one? ISAT, ASAT is now there. Gawin natin, no?
Time is very
To be number one is,
Nanonood ka sa sine, time is not important. Life is important.
ang iisipin nung nasa likod,
Kabaliktaran.
how just to overcome
Give
them.
time to
How
what he
could
is saying.
you overcome the
Ano
two?
sinasabi niya?
Ang sinasabi ko sa
Skip
inyo
a
is,
time.
when we get there,
One time.
to be on top of the race, nandito tayo.
Totoo yung sinasabi niya.
The same thing goes.
Trabaho
Round,
tayo.
round.
Isagat tayo.
Ito, sabi natin number one na tayo ngayon. Ito yung
If we
ASAT
fall,
saka ISAT,
okay lang.
number 2 and number 3.
How
Paano
about
natin,
if we
fail trying
paano natin
than not having trying at all.
overtikan yung ISAT? Yan.
Maganda,
Ang gagawin natin
napakagandang
ngayon
ano kasi niya, tao to.
Paano nila ma-overtikan
Hindi
tayo
naman
if
din
we
ang
have
kasama
to
natin.
stretch? We have to stretch over
Alam mo
the two
yung
points.
yung binibigyan mo
Iiwanan
sa akin,
natin.
Seth, ano eh.
Iiwanan natin.
May,
And
at
then,
least may problema na
we
ano,
stay
pero
behind the
ayaw
two
kong sana
opponent.
ipaasa yung ano.
Paano nila tayo makikita? Nasa likod tayo ngayon. Dikit lang.
Kasi meron akong
Isang ikot ang lamang natin. Yan ang I was dreaming of that. Nung puro sinasabi kong puro salita kasi ako. Why puro salita? You should be doing no. Puro salita talaga ako as the boss. You should be doing things good for the organization.
Gawin natin, sir. Gawin natin.
Tama yan.
Gawin natin, sir.
Do not say wag mo nga akong tularan, puro
Gawin
salita
natin,
ako.
sir. Gawin natin.
Gawin mo.
Gawin natin, sir.
Gawin mo. Dahil ang ano diyan, ang labanan diyan is
Competition.
competition yan. Ang tendency ng number one is anuhan mo yan. Overtake mo yan. Ang gagawin mo para ma-overtakean, tatakbo ka ng mabilis. Babalik ka sa likod nila. One round away. Di ba? One round away. Yan ang titignan ninyo. I was trying to do this to you, gentlemen. Sinusubukan mong gawin sa inyo. Pero you were too complacent.
Talagang hindi na wala sa kanya yung love.
I hate the word. I hate to use the word. Complacent. Complacent. Kampante.
Pero
Kampante
Nagkuha
ka.
na kami, nagbidway na kami.
Dahil number one ka.
amok data.
Tatakbo ka yan.
mo na yun.
Kung saan nasa oval ka.
Pero ang
Iikutan
sa akin
mo yan.
naman,
Dito ka lang sa likod.
nagalit lang ako.
So takbo sila sa takbo.
Ito duda.
Hindi nila alam, nandito ka sa likod ngayon. You are one round away from the oval.
Siyempre kasi may nahin.
Takbo sila ng takbo, nasa likod ka.
Sakit dito duda, may esuna.
Totoo yan. Then we will do that. That's yung narinig nyo sa akin that I may be out of it.
Marami.
That's far from reality. Sasabihin ko sa inyo.
Pero tatay,
Masakit yan, loob ko, dahil wala pa akong nagagawa. But thanks God,
Pero wala ako.
there is Rodel. There is
Yun! Andy Garcia, yan. Yan, sir, yan.
Sino?
there is,
Andy Garcia, yan.
Parehabe.
Yan.
There is Ashen. There is Congrats eh, siyempre. Na nakagarit sa sinasabi. This is a revelation of what I'm going to do.
Mag-vlog kayo. Pabre, kung vlog pala kayo.
Wala sa mo, sir. Wala sa mo.
Oh, cheers to that.
Wala sa mo.
Pero,
At ikaw.
Cheers to that.
Boss.
Apay, mapangkan?
Hindi.
Awas,
Congrats nga.
Si Kakay.
Yun naman pala. Kabayan! Eh, kinene!
Nagpasibog ka na. Nabigat ka nagpasibog nga eh.
18 ba po?
Tayo,
Oo! Ilang chosen na number na pinagkano natin eh.
Di ba pwedeng sa October?
Wag nga eh.
kaya nasasabi ko,
Sige, basta pag sayatan tayo.
marami akong sinabi na.
Ako, sa tayo.
Para ito hindi nyo alam.
Basta
Why I
for
am
good.
pampering so much on
Oo.
Chris and Asset. Because these were the two persons. These are the two persons whom I am counting on maths. I am counting
Accounting sir.
so much.
Accounting.
I am counting so much. He's heading the other department. He's heading the other department. I can't do anything without their support. So, ngayon nakikita niyo yung aking vision na we want to overcome these two schools in the region. Sa region lang yan. Pero nakikita niyo yung region na yan, hindi region actually yan. Dahil
Nationwide.
actually yan, ang isikat, maybe one of the number one, maybe one of the 10, Asat maybe one of the 10 schools.
Nationwide.
Nationwide.
Pag na-overcome mo yan, do not be complacent in just 3, 2, 4 steps away from Sikat or Asat. You have to stretch.
Milya.
Milya yan, then iikutin mo yan, nasa likod ka. Until such time that they can see Isat no more. Anymore.
Pero naka one round around.
Nakawan ka around the clock.
Lamang ka na.
Nandito ka ngayon sa likod. Si Isat nasa likod ko.
Wala.
Tumatakbo.
Wala.
Hindi nila alam.
Sarap
Hindi nila alam.
Score ka na.
One run away. Andito ngayon ang Isat. That's my dream. That's my dream.
Yan ang namin time, sir.
No.
PM?
No. That's just one part.
Just one part.
It's 1 over
Imagine.
1 million.
You can just imagine. At 3 million, 5 million of Sikat and Asat.
Layo.
Layo. With
Pero
only
at
1
least
million.
1 million.
With only 1.1 million.
Layo.
At least,
But-
marami tayo, sir.
Have we traversed a sizable kilometer away from
No.
the 1 million?
Perfect building.
Yan ang inano ko dyan.
Perfect
That,
building.
Abe,
General.
we
Transplant na
want
lang.
to be with the group.
Yes, sir. It is for the good of Isat. Why not?
Yeah. Yan ang inano ko dyan. That we want to have more in the management. Then, we are welcoming Abe to
Pumasok ako rito para magtrabaho.
Plus.
Then we shall work.
Pero sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Pang ilan ba kayo sa accomplishment?
Wala yan.
That's
When
not
it comes to
factor.
physical accomplishment,
Hindi yan factor.
then we are far from
Ay, gano'n? Pares tayo. We are far from.
We are
Region
far
1 to 12. We are far from 12.
Hindi
we are
kami.
from
Pero,
The-
parang di ka nilber ng number
Ibig
na
sabihin,
kami.
we are from-
Region 1 to 12 sa accomplishment.
Masyado kasing ano siya.
Pares lang tayo nila ba? Oh, may accomplishment kayo dito. Kami sasakyan, doon.
ibig sabihin ng we are from
Pare-parehas
is,
lang.
we are not the last.
Mm.
We might be on the forefront already.
Ayun lang.
Umahabol.
Sir?
At least
Although-
nasa ano.
Mahabol.
We might not be at the top 10.
Nasa
We
track
might
kami.
not be at the top 10. Nasa 11 or 12 na kami. Then we are not happy with
The
it.
best thing is we
We
are
are
on the
not
track.
happy.
Hindi pa rin.
We are not happy with it. That's my plan. It's only now that ngayon at nakarinig ako, yan yung dream ko. Yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo na gagawin ninyo. That you should not be complacent on where you are now. You have to overcome the two schools. Whether you like it or not, the two schools, the two primary schools now in Region 2 are Asat and Sikat minus the RTC. Well, baliwala yung RTC. Eh, baby yan ng...
Gawin natin, sir. Gawin natin.
Baby yan ng... Animal ka. Baby yan ng regional office. Pero ang gusto kong ganyan is, you have to stretch. Once you get there on top, you have to stretch. Then make one round. Be behind the two schools. Nasa likod ka ng dalawang eskwelahan. Tumatakbo sila, akala nila nasa likod ka pala. But in reality, you are already one round.
Around the hour.
Sir, pag uminom pa si Amor starting tomorrow ng before 5, sir,
Gawin natin.
I will strongly recommend him for promotion.
Why not, sir?
MT2 in Kasibu.
Hindi na yan. Hindi na dato mo naman.
Kaya natin, sir.
Joke lang.
Pero alam ko yan, he has
May discipline naman, sir, willpower, sir.
that willpower na yung grip ko kanina, kanan yun eh.
Oh.
Ang sabi nila yung left hand is nearest to your heart. But no, the right hand is nearest to your heart. Yung mga psychic,
Dito naman, sir, gitna.
yung mga psychic, kabaligtaran yung ano nila eh.
Yung left.
Pagka sinabi ng right, nandito yan. Ang nearest yan is your right. Mga psychic.
Sir, pag kaliwete raw, sir, nasa right yung heart, sir.
Hindi ah.
Kaliwete.
Ang talagang left.
Hindi, sir, marami ka man namang...
May laman po.
Mahirap sa una, sir. 1 year ka pala sa isa't, sir. Wala pang 2 years. So, talagang mahirap yung first few years.
Kasi right-handed siya. Pag nagaganon siya, dito, hindi dito. Kilala ko yan.
Oh.
Pero kung...
Malakas willpower mo nung Amor. Ang kaya niya.
Malakas, huwag lang samahan ng
Siya,
attitude.
Oh.
Inom.
Pero may weakness lang, siyempre.
Lahat na, may weakness.
May weakness niya.
Wala ba kayong ref? Wala.
Si...
Hindi, ilagay na natin daw.
Number 1 sa samahan,
Pero si...
Sa akin.
Wala naman, sawa na.
Para mo.
Wala naman.
Wala rin
Number 1 sa samahan.
Wala rin ito, Mariko.
Marami pa ba? Adagtoy pa Jun ne, nga nagargaraw dato.
Trabaho.
John,
Kasi,
maday maperde.
Wala.
Maperde. Adupay di siya.
Samahan, teamwork.
Tay tuloy tayo no bigat no isa.
Teamwork.
After 5.
Minsan lang kasi magsabi.
Marami ba? Marami?
Pag sinabi mo si... Minsan lang magsabi. Ka daw. Doon sa kwan.
the best shot on.
Yun yung
Guwapo.
Ako taga-tugayo.
Pogi. Pogi, ano.
Pressure na. Inano yung usapan eh. Tutumang ka eh. Parang holy yung usapan eh.
Ando.
Ayan, holy. Pag
Kita
sinabi
pa
yung
sir,
usapan,
may mesa ka.
kung ano yung
May mesa
usapan,
pati pag
yun na yun.
Nabulong